Hey traders, this is William from Bearable Traders, and today is another peek into our trade review sessions where all members that are part of our chat get to submit their trades and we talk about psychological and technical lessons. And today we had a little fun discussion on how to improve your trading simply by changing your partialing. And this is what the big boss Andrew did recently. And if you've seen his winners, they're getting bigger and bigger, and he's doing nothing different except changing the percent of how he partials. And it's a great lesson for us all and all of you who are watching this who might not think of how powerful that one little change can be in your trading. And always remember, please, if you like these videos, if you like the content, if you appreciate all of the stuff we try to share with you to improve your trading, please subscribe and hit that notification button so you are notified when we release new videos. Thank you so much. Did you guys hear what Andrew said about his partialing the other day when someone asked him how much did you scale out? Because I didn't know this. Right, and do you understand what he said about that? Right. Now, do you understand the reasoning and what he did, why he did what he did? No? It wasn't because of his share size. I mean, that's part of it, but that's not the point at all. I mean, that's part of it, but that's not the interesting part. That's a factual part for sure, but there's something like a very good lesson. Yeah, Mike, right? How long has he been trading at those higher partials? And in a way, Andrew makes he makes amazing money, but in a way, he's leaving a lot of money on the table as well. Now, how do you figure that in your mind? Well, he makes so much, but he has the ability to make so much more. Like, should he change anything? I don't know. That's up to Andrew. But yeah, Matt, he realized for himself that he was shorting himself and he was always getting out early. So what I heard in my head from what he was saying is like, I'm not going to take different setups. I'm not going to change my trading style. I'm not going to do anything to change my success. I'm just going to change the percent in my hotkey, which then doesn't change how I trade. I'm still going to get out when I used to get out. I'm still going to partial out like mad. But instead of getting out 25, 25, 25% and losing already 50% right there, I'm going to get out 10%. And he did that because he realized he was always getting out of his trades too early when they were winners. Okay? And that was a realization I made as well, which greatly helped my trading when I realized, when I went back and looked at my trades, almost 100% of the time I get out of my trades early. So my successful trades were never living up to their potential. Okay? And then instead of having just a disciplinary thing like, oh, I need to hold for 2R instead of 1.5R, I want to hold for 3R, or I don't want to partial here, which is really hard, I had a whole perspective change. Like, why would I get out of this? Why would I get it at 1.5R or 2R if it always goes further when I'm right? If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But when I'm right and I start to partial out, they always go further. So it really, really helped my trading by not doing anything different other than to increase my winners. And that's what Andrew did also. Yeah, Blake, I am not 100% perfectly planned on how I want to partial out, and I still go back and forth. Sometimes I partial, sometimes I don't. Sometimes I get out 100%, sometimes I don't. I don't have a solid answer as to Rhyme or Reason by DMB.